We're trying to find the highest common factor of 60 and 120. 120. Oh my god, I can't read. This one's important. Mixture of the both. And now I just blink and... No way. Oh my god. No way. A second sometime. That's what you have to say to yourself. Hey mathematician, it's T here, your YouTube maths tutor. How are you not feeling this week? I'm feeling better, as you can hear. I don't sound as stuffy. It's good to be T again. Like, I'm still not 100. I'm like, I can say 87.5%. Yeah. If you're not feeling well, I hope you're feeling better soon. It's cold outside, so yeah, wrap up warm. This week's topic is highest common factor, and this topic, I can't lie, is actually one of the most important topics in maths, yeah? And it's so simple to do. It's so important because you use it in so many different other topics. So you use it in like factorizing, you use it in simplifying fractions. Those are like two topics I've already listed, but you do use it a lot in other topics. So yeah, get this one down. That's what I'm gonna say. Seriously, get it down. Alright, so highest common factor is really important. Like, it's a good tool for simplifying things. Let's put some real life into this. So say if you're doing a dodgeball tournament, yeah, in class, whatever, or not even class, like you could be on the beach, you could be in school, it doesn't matter. You got boys and girls. You've got like, let's say 24 boys and 30 girls, yeah? You want to make sure that you have enough teams for your dodgeball tournament, have the most amount of people in each team in with equal amounts. Obviously, it doesn't always work. Like, if there's an odd number, then you have one less, but at least you know you've generally done it. So all you need to know is how to multiply, so you can break down your factors, or divide. Yeah, so multiply or divide, because you might be better at one and the other. Just utilize what you're good at, yeah? It's good to know prime numbers as well, but I'll go through it in a video. So, yeah. But yeah, with that all out of the way, let's get into the video. So for this method of finding the highest common factor, you actually need to know what your prime numbers are, yeah? A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself, yeah? So I'm gonna list the prime numbers down here, some prime numbers for you. You can keep going, but essentially they have no factors. The only factor is themselves or 1. I've written the first 6 prime numbers here. The very first and only even prime number is 2. And then the rest of them are odd, yeah? Obviously, there's more. And if you know any more, let me know in the comments. But these ones are like the staples that you would want to know. Obviously, you might want to know a few more, but I've given you 6. So, highest common factor, or HCF. What does it mean? So highest means the largest number. Common means what's in both. Same in both. And factor means what number can be multiplied to make the largest number. If you can divide that number by another number, it will make that factor. So it's the largest number that can be multiplied to fit in a bigger number, and it's in 2 numbers that are the same. Let's look at an example of a highest common factor question. Okay, so this is an example of a highest common factor question. A common factor would be 2 because they are both even. It also would be 10 because they're both a multiple of 10, yeah? But we're looking for the highest common factor. So we're looking for the biggest number that is a factor of both of them, yeah? So I'm going to show you how to do it. There's multiple methods to answer this question, but I like to use a method called product of primes because I feel like it's the easiest way, simplest way, and quickest way to find the highest common factor. And I wish I had it when I was in school doing my exams because it was light work. So yeah, we're going to start off with 60. So let's split 60 into 2 factors. We're going to pick 6 and 10. These 2 ain't any prime numbers, so I'm going to split them again into their factors. So I'm going to split 6 into 2 and 3 because 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm going to split 10 into 2 and 5 because those 2 numbers times together to make 10, yeah? Now we can see that we have prime numbers now, so I'm going to circle them, Yeah, all of them, because they're all prime numbers at the bottom. Yeah, so now we've expressed them in their products of primes. All right, cool. So now let's look at 210. I'm going to split this into its products of primes. So two numbers that times together to make 210 is 2 and 105. Yeah, 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. And now I'm just going to focus on this side here. So two numbers that times together to make 105. Well, I can see that it's in its 5 times tables. So 5 times 21 is equal to 105. So I'm going to circle 5 because that is also a prime. But 21's not a prime number. It's in the 3 times table. And 3 times 7 makes 21. Now 3 and 7 are prime. Yeah? So now we've circled all the prime numbers. Now we're going to find our highest common factor, HCF. So to find that, we're going to literally look at the common prime numbers. So the numbers that are circled that are the same, we're going to write them down. So there is a 2 in each of them, so I'm going to write down 2. I can also see that there's a 3 in both, so I'm going to put times 3. I can also see that there's a 5 in both, so I'm going to put times 5. So now our highest common factor is 2 times 3 times 5, yeah, which is 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30. So our highest common factor is 30. So just to recap, we split each of the numbers in their products of primes, then we use all the common products of their primes and times them out to find our highest common factor. And it really is quicker than listing out all of the factors of 60 and then all the factors of 210 is the way I was taught. And I'm telling you, that's long, so we're not into them things there. Yeah? All right, cool. Here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to pause the video and have a go at them, and then resume the video when you're ready for the answers. All right, welcome back. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're looking for the highest common factor of 18 and 48. 18 can be split into 3 and 6. 3 is a prime. 6 can be split into 2 and 3. They're both primes. Cool. Let's go to the next one. So 48. Two numbers that times together to make 48 is 6 and 8. They're both not prime, so we're going to have to split them both up. So 6 is 2 and 3. They're both prime, so we'll circle them. And 8 is 4 and 2. 2 is a prime, 4 is not. Let's split that up, 2 and 2. Now we have all of our primes in place. So let's find out what the highest common factor is. So HCF is equal to, we've got 3 in both. We've got 2 in both. Anything else? No. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the highest common factor, HCF, is equal to 6. That is our answer. Yeah? Okay, let's find out the next one. We are trying to find out the highest common factor of 70 and 56. All right, let's do 70 first. Two numbers that times together to make 70 is 7 and 10. 7 is prime. So we'll just break down the 10. 2 and 5 go into 10, and they are both prime. Cool. Now we've got 56, so we're going to write down 56. Two numbers that times together to make 56 is 7 and 8. 7's prime, 8's not. Break this down, we've got 4 and 2. 2's prime. And then 2 and 2, these two are prime. Let's write down the highest common factor. So our HCF is equal to, we've got 7 in both. We've also got 2 in both. So our highest common factor is 14. And there we go. So that was highest common factor. It wasn't really difficult, was it? Let me know if you did find it difficult and why you found it difficult. And if you found it easy, please give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. See you.